guys, one hand partida. Di pa ginagawa ito ni Efren Bata, pero gagawin ko na. One hand partida lang yan guys. One hand yan guys. Side guys, side. Hirap to guys. Antali. Antatalim yan guys. Ika. Yan guys oh. Layo, long shot to guys oh. Come on guys. Sigurado na ito sa Tennessee guys oh. Partida ito guys. Partida talaga yan guys. Tsak talaga guys yan oh. Nang uubos ng 100. Ito mo ang preparasyon oh. Yan guys oh, this come on guys, talagang hirap yan guys. Kaya ba? Kayayanin natin yan guys, kasi hindi na makatira ang kalaban natin dito. Kailan sure ball talaga guys ang tira natin dito. Side package yan guys doon no? Yan guys. Hey stop. Ayan mga prepare guys so alapit lang guys. Kita mo yan guys. Partida yan guys. Tirahin pa ba yan guys? One hat. Guys. Last ball guys. Last ball. One hands. Thank you for watching. Like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Come on guys. Shout out pala kayo dyan, taga Santo Rosario. Puro 4, puro 5. Shout out kayo dyan mga idol.